Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Ralph's Automotive. Kind of obvious, ain't it? 2015 Nissan Altima SV, not like that matters, but here's one we don't see very often in these parts. Yeah, we see them, but not very often. The whole thing is broken out, so we'll step on through here and see about getting that job fixed. The car fixed, rather, not the job fixed. Truth to be known, not very hard to figure out what you got to do. You got to start unbolting some stuff here. Spray a little bit more of the good stuff on it. You got the sway bar link in the back. We got this bolt here where it goes to the knuckle, and obviously the back that's ripped out. It's going to have to be unbolted. And there is two main bolts up here that we also going to have to get off. I said threaded socket, and that's normally where the problem comes in. Try to kind of get you in a different spot there. A little bit anyway. Oh my God. The camera going all over the place. Oh. That's going to be rotted in there. I got me a feeling. That was too easy on that side. Go, go, go. Go, go. I'm going to shoot some bolts over here. Get? Don't want you to get hit in the head. I wouldn't have guessed it actually coming loose. Bad thing is you can't get to it from the backside. Does spin. Okay. It's an improvement over what I thought we was going to get. Let's see if it maybe move out. My ratchet ain't going to be strong enough to do this. Guarantee that. Nope, quit turning already. It's going to be same way with this one right here. I'm nearly going to guarantee. No, this one here is actually spinning. Yeah. Oh wow. That's kind of hard to believe. Yeah, I don't think so. Top one, yes. The bottom, not so much. As you can see, we did real good with the one. I'll pause you up. I'm going to raise the vehicle a little bit and make some changes. I was actually able to get these bolts out relatively simple. which kind of blows my mind. Oh, stabilizer link here, not so much. Wow. That little unit is not cooperating like none of the others were. Might have to put some fire on that. Holy crap. Woo! One bolt, the only bolt. Induction heater, great, but this is faster. As long as you're somewhere where you can use a torch, not blow yourself up. You can use a torch, of course. I'm gonna try to salvage this. The lady doesn't have a lot of money, in case you're wondering why I'm going through the trouble. I don't want to order no more parts than what I have to. I get it. Come on, Belly. You going outside? Oh, come on. Go with Zeus. No, I'm not waiting here for 2 hours. I got stuff to do. So you don't want to go, you don't have to. So far I've been lucky that the wrench just sits there. I'll have to hold it. I can appreciate it too. Always say this. Amazing what a little bit of water might do. And I'm sure you probably noticed I'm kind of like in white today. Now it all come in a package, so yeah, generally once you get them off, they normally go back on. You might run a dye on it, but a lot of times you don't even have to do that. Give it a try one time. Yeah, I mean, it went that far. Like I said, normally they go back on. We'll run a dye on it to get it back on. I know we can. Oh, now the top is not going to be so much fun. And they are going to have to, both of them have to come off. And I'm not pause you up for that one, because you're kind of right in the way. Now, I need to be right here. And you probably won't be able to see from over here, or maybe you can, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. What room do I have here? Actually, I'd say that. It really depends on how worn out that damn thing is. That ain't gonna fly. That's nothing gonna be nothing but sliding there. I don't think it's gonna work. Nope, I do not think so. You might be able to lock it in on the bottom, I don't know. Get her up a little bit. I have it secured, in case you haven't noticed it. I got my jack stands all the way around, so it's fairly safe for me to mess around like that. That's kind of what I figured. That is all she wrote. Like I said, I don't want to destroy it. Now, we'll stop while we're ahead. Yeah, no, there is a fuel tank there too. So, definitely not going to cut that direction. That does not look healthy here. We can try it. It ain't that size. It is, however, that size. Man, that's hard to believe. I wouldn't have guessed that to be backing out. I would have figured that to be one of them. Yeah, right, pal. Go try that again. I did notice, however, that back is hung. Oh, come on. What the problem is. Here we are. I guess I should. Now it is. I did not think that part was holding it. What is hanging you? Right now the plastic is hanging me. The plastic! Alright, so the car is going to have to be raised up because I'm going to get pissy in a minute. I don't like to hit my head, that makes me mad. Makes me extremely mad, as a matter of fact. Pause you up for just a second, and we'll go adjust the jack. Shoot, crap! I just did this number and it popped out. I wasn't playing. I wished I had that on camera. I mean, I just now did it. Oops. I guess I should have turned that camera on before I did that, huh? Yep, she definitely broke. Tuck a stabilizer over here. Maybe we get lucky and spin it out. What in the thumbnail? Keep grabbing the wrong stuff today. That's good for an alignment right there. I wonder what the backside is. Wonder if it's the same. Oh, dang. You got the dang things, man. Use them, right? Make a little bit of clearance in. Don't worry, I'm not hurting it. Did you get the bright idea? Think you can weld that? Won't work. Will not work, ladies and gentlemen. You might as well forget that. I guess we can have a little teach-it moment. This is also the cam bolt. You see that flat and the little... That little spike goes on one side, flat, lines up on the other. That's how you adjust these things. The lady told me that she had an alignment last year, which of course I'm going to call on that because her tires are completely worn on the inside. But anyway, by the way, something else I didn't have on camera. These bolts that go in the pins that I was talking about. That's where these go. They go in the back of that. They actually came out very easily too. I'm a little bit surprised it rusted like that, but then these bolts came out the way they did. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is. So, alright, camera off, because I ain't got no part. That part we can get at the local store. AutoZone may have that, I don't know. We'll have to see. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off and turn it on later.